All right, guys, let's do this. So, if I was restarting a marketing agency in 2024 and I wanted to hit $10,000 a month by the year end and realistically within the next few months, I would steal any of these agency offers that I'm going to be sharing with you guys all in today's video. I have a full breakdown of every detail of each of these offers. Like, I'm talking about every skill that you're going to need to master, what the structure of the website would look like, how I would get the clients, what the offer and the outcome would be, what my onboarding would be, what deliverables I'll provide, every little freaking detail. And I want to walk you guys through all of these today. These are all in demand skills. On top of that, I want to break down what high income skills are, how to actually create an offer, like an irresistible one where people will be knocking at your door to wanting to pay you because you're better than all of your competitors. I'll break all that down. And then how to position yourself in a way that is so much freaking better than everybody else in the space. So for those who don't know what a marketing agency is, honestly, if you are one of those people, this video is probably not for you. I'm talking to people who have like a slight understanding, or maybe one client, two clients, maybe you want to pivot, or you just don't know what skill to actually master. Marketing agencies are for people are essentially an exchange of a service for cash. What is that exchange? What is that service that you're exchanging? It's a high income skill. So for example, if I had a business that was doing $100,000 on a monthly basis, and I knew that you can run TikTok ads and or TikTok organic for me and make an extra $30,000 a month, I'll pay you 3K, right? So we're doing a marketing agency as an exchange of a service for some sort of big payments every month. So marketing agency is broken off into five main elements. There's the skill, there's the offer and positioning, there's the prospecting, onboarding, and deliverables. And that's what we're breaking down across each of these individual offers today. So let's jump right into it. Before you can even think about creating an agency, you have to learn what a high income skill is. Even if you have 5, 7, 10 clients, excuse me, I need you guys to actually understand this concept. A high income skill is the skill that is in demand, and it's in demand because it's helping a person or a business make more money or save more time. So your goal is to master a few different high income skills that we're going to be discussing today. Then we package those high income skills up, make them look sweet, delicious, and beautiful, and then we present that to our perfect prospects. So let's go into it. How do you actually master a high income skill? How do you actually make that beautiful high income skill into a wicked offer? Well, offers are the most important aspect of this high income skill, because if you aren't presenting the offer in a way that is so appealing and appetizing for your audience, they're not going to want to pay you. No one's going to see the benefit of it. Most of you guys are going to say, I'm going to help you grow your social media account. Like, do I really care to grow a social media account, or do I care to get more customers on my website? Do I care to get more followers, or do I care to get more people inside of my store? You got to think about it from the actual business owner standpoint. What are you offering to that person where they actually care for something? And those are all about the five main elements of a winning offer. So part one is the outcome of the offer. It's the end result that you're selling to people. So if I did a social media marketing agency, my end result isn't more views. My end result isn't more followers. My end result isn't creating more content. Those are all deliverables, right? Those are all things that we can provide. But the end outcome is I will help you make more money from your personal brand or from your social media accounts. So you're creating the outcome that people care for. If I already own a Twitter organic agency, I'm promising people consistent, predictable, high quality inbound leads. Or I'm also providing signed 2 to 10 new clients in the next 90 days from your personal brand. If I had a Facebook ad agency, lower customer acquisition costs. You got to think about what is the end outcome, the end result of your offer. I teach every single detail about how to create a winning offer inside of my community, the Utopia.io. It's a link in the description. You guys can check it out. Every detail on how to start an agency, how to create a winning offer, everything's inside of it as well too. Now, next up is the deliverables. How do you help someone reach that specific outcome? This is the stuff that you're charging for. It's this thing that justifies your pricing point. It's the reason you can charge what you charge. So for example, if my end result that I'm promising, the outcome that I'm promising people is sign more clients with your social media accounts, my deliverables would be content strategy, content creation, content design, content posting, content optimization. Those are the five things I'm providing as a deliverable to people for them to reach the outcome that I'm promising them, right? If I had a Facebook ad agency, I'm doing ads management. ads optimization, ad creatives, right? And then from there, if I own a whatever the agency, it doesn't matter. You always have the deliverables that you can systemize. You're realizing as an agency owner, 80% of your tasks are recurring tasks. They're repetitive tasks. You take those deliverables, you systemize those deliverables, and now you can predictably get the result and reach that specific outcome for people, right? Now people trust you. Then you add a guarantee on top of it. Why is that? Because there's risk, right? If there's 1,000 people in the space that are offering the same thing as you, what's going to make you stand out, right? The offers that I'm going to share with you are very untapped, right? They're proven. All of these are proven offers, and then you can go ahead and add a guarantee to each of them. But the main thing is here: how are you standing out from everybody else in the space? How are you going to remove any risk from the client side when they're on your website? They're going to question, and they're going to try asking you, dude, like, how can I make sure I'm not losing my investment, right? And that's where you're going to hop in and say, I have a guarantee. And then your guarantee, you can have like stipulations around this. This is something I learned from my friend called Emo Wizard. Then there's targeting of your target client. Stop trying to target everybody. And everyone's like, yeah, but Amazon, look at Amazon targeting everybody. They're Amazon. They've perfected everything from product to logistics to experience to conversion rate optimization. You're not Amazon. And your agency does not need to offer everything as an agency. The best agencies are specialists on one main target client. E-com brands, SaaSes, personal brands, local businesses, choose one of these, and then your pricing model. How do you want to charge? Fixed or monthly? Fixed could be $3K a month, or performance as in the monthly side. Performance could be a percentage of the revenue. So you package all these up, and now my offer is I will help you sign 3 to 10 new clients in the next 90 days, guaranteed, by helping you build and scale your personal brand on Twitter through content strategy, content creation, content posting. And this is all for personal brands. And I charge $5,500 a month. That's it. That's my offer. That's everything. That's all over my website. Now, the last detail of an offer is going to be our positioning. Positioning is the way we want to position the content that we're creating for our audience. So we create the content on our website or on our ads or whatever in a very unique angle that connects with people. And there's 5 main positionings. One is removing an old pain. No more cold emails or Facebook ads to get leads. Have your prospect come directly to you. Bring in their dream to reality. Be the bridge to your target's specific dream. Here are the explanations as examples. You guys can check them out. Niche within a niche. You have the experience in your industry, so you have all the foundations covered perfectly. All of the other competitors out there are targeting everyone. We are disrupting the agencies. The old ways are dead. And number 5 is our unique mechanism. These are the 5 positionings you can have. Now let's get to the juicy part. Here are all of the offers that I'm going to recommend. On all of these offers, I'm going to break down the foundations, aka the site funnel, the skills you need to master, the offer itself, prospecting, onboarding, and deliverables. So you guys get ready to take note. Now, every single one of these offers is what I'm teaching inside of the Utopia.io right now. I'm breaking down, I'm answering questions, I'm teaching you how to start a marketing agency, and it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. It's not one of those unethical high-priced courses. I'm not going inside and saying, hey, buy this program next, yada, yada. No. Everything you will ever need to hit $10,000 a month is inside of the Utopia.io. You can reach it because people have done it before, countless of people. Just check it out, link in the description. With that being said, let's get into this. Offer number 1 is Performance Creative Agency. What's a Performance Creative Agency? This is someone who offers Facebook ad creatives, the beautiful visual ads, either image ads or video ads. And you're offering this to people to help them get more conversions. So the foundation, the skills you need to master: topic creation. You want to learn how to create new creative ad topics. Script creation. How do you create the scripts? And then the delivery systems. How are you delivering it? Getting feedback from the client. Intermediate skills: reading data and system creation. And advanced is video editing and storytelling. Your goal for your website is simple. You want a big heading with a big fat claim, a VSL, and if you guys want my VSL structure, comment it down below and I'll give you guys my VSL structure. CTA to book a call, case studies, your process, and guarantee. Look at this. Remember the 5 elements of a winning offer. Your outcome is right over here. With that inside of there, you could also have a guarantee. Your CTA is you're telling people exactly to book a call with you. Case studies and proof showing people that this actually works, aka you're showing people that the results of the actual deliverables that you're providing, and you're showing people the outcome is actually there. Your process is your actual deliverables, and then of course inside the VSL you're going to be talking to your perfect target persona, and then a guarantee and a call to action again at the bottom. Now you're literally covering all the elements of your winning offer, and your positioning is in your VSL. And now all of those right there, very simple, one-page website, has everything you need. Who are you targeting? DTC brands that spend 5, 6, or 7 figures on ads every single month. Your offer and your positioning. What is your offer here? Create captivating and persuasive creatives to get you more conversions. Positioning. Creatives are how you scale. And then the outcome is generate consistent new conversions properly, right? That's it. Their deliverables, direct response based creatives, maybe 10 creatives that are videos, and then 10 creative image ads. That's it. Very simple. Prospecting and sales. I want to, you guys can click the link in the description. I have a lot of videos on how I actually get clients. You guys can learn it all inside of the utopia.io, or you guys can go ahead and check out some of my videos on YouTube as well too. Like the videos are popping. Like I'm talking 99.9% likes. And that's because people are like, there's no way you're sharing this value. And I'm talking massive names in the space. Guys, it's free value. Just go and check it out. And then it will teach you how to start getting the clients. Onboarding. Now that the clients pay you, your goal is to send them an onboarding process. What is onboarding? It is to remove the buyer remorse. After they paid you, you want to show them a quick win as quick as possible. So you're going to have a questionnaire. You're going to ask them for their winning creatives, what they know is working and what isn't on their ad account, their winning angles, and their branding guidelines. You're going to get access to their ads manager, get access to any asset, maybe creatives, maybe case studies, whatever the hell it might be. Invite them to Slack and do research and have a creative strategy. The kickoff then, on the call, you're going to ask deeper questions about the brand's goals, and that's it. You onboarded them. That takes 3 to 5 days. Then the deliverables. Iterations on the old winning ads is the most chillest, easiest, low-hanging fruit. If something is working their ad account, make 4 to 5 different variations of it, post those live, get them some quick wins. The systems that you're going to need: create storyboards, write the scripts, edit the videos, iterate them, collect data, read data, the data-driven decisions, client onboarding, and client communications. And then after 90 days, you can upsell them on another 90 days. Easy. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Next up, GPT. This one's a little bit riskier. This one, I haven't seen many people do this one. However, it is a cool offer. There's something called GPTs out there. A GPT is essentially a little mini AI robot that you can create for businesses to remove redundancies. So the idea here is super simple. You're going to help people automate their internal operations with AI. 80% of your tasks can be handled with AI without hiring expensive team members. That's your positioning. And if the outcome is a 24-hour AI assistant working for you, that's what you're providing to people. This is a really wicked offer. And then what your deliverables are is a suite. You're going to create 2 to 5 main GPTs. You're going to train them, and then you're going to go ahead and manage those GPTs on an upsell. So the skills you need to master: creating a GPT, agency automation, re-identifying redundancies inside of someone's business, custom GPTs for them, and then upgrading and trading the GPTs. Super simple. And you're going to target agency owners. So the moment they pay, you're going to onboard them. Their agents, you're going to figure out their agency's redundancies inside of a questionnaire, what they're looking to specifically automate, let them tell you, and access to any of their management tools. Get any access, invite them to Slack, and then of course now creative strategy is GPT strategy. Super simple. Now your goal is to have a quick win. Create an onboarding flow with a chat GPT. And then these are the systems that you're going to have to master as well too. Guys, again, if you guys want to learn how to set up a marketing agency, then you guys need to check out the utopia.io. This is every resource you will ever need to build your online presence, not even your online presence, literally everything. Everything from how to start a marketing agency. There's thousands of strategy posts for some inside. All these courses like, look, prospecting and sales, optimizing, business foundations, offers, etc. The biggest names in the space are talking about Utopia. It has everything you guys will ever need to build your online marketing agency, and it's chill. It's $45 a month. Now let's go back into this as well too. We have the next offer is going to be a community management offer. We have the offer here is simple. Build an engaged community for your brand so your customers will buy from you over and over while raving about your products. Positioning, break free from the shackles of paid ads and create your own traffic source for improved lifetime value, and then improve your LTV and own a new traffic source for your brand. That's our offer and positioning. Now, the skills here is choose any of these over here as your main platform. Circle is one of my favorites right now. Discord's amazing. And this is where you're going to host a community. You're going to learn how to keep people engaged and of course, how to get the sales into the community. You're going to make deals and outreach people for more content, and then you're also going to learn how to systemize this. It's pretty easy. Like, this isn't a difficult one. You can target e-com brands, SaaSes, or personal brands. We will increase your LTV in X% by X% in 90 days. If we don't, we'll work for you for free. That's your guarantee. And then the deliverables, super chill. You're going to set up the group. You're going to manage the group. You're going to gamify it, and you're going to help host calls. And you're going to get better content in the community and keep people engaged. That is it. That's all you're offering to people. Now, the deliverables for or rather not deliverables, the onboarding process. The moment they pay, send them an onboarding process, the community set up with the goals and the results so far as a part of the questionnaire, their branding and their offer. And their target customer as well too. You're going to invite them to Slack. You're going to use this to create a roadmap, and then right away, you're going to go ahead, and your objective is super simple. It's just to get the first batch of people within the community and start managing that community. This is the community management. YouTube Organic, my favorite agency offer out of every single one that you guys are going to see today. The offer here is simple. Help personal brands generate consistent traffic and conversions from YouTube. Build an evergreen source with YouTube's organic reach and SEO power, and reach thousands of new clients and customers with engaging videos that build a fan base around your brand. The skills you need here: storytelling, video editing, and reading data, creating captivating videos, holding attention, and systemization. Very simple. The deliverables: scripting and onboarding, in-house video editing creation, deep data and optimization, and maybe 4 to 5 videos on a monthly basis. You could charge $3,000-4,000 for this. Super chill. Then from there, it's going to be the questionnaire for the onboarding. What's their current YouTube setup? What are their current results? What goal do they want to achieve? What's their branding? What's their offer? What's their target customer? You're going to get access to the YouTube channel, and you're going to create an entire content strategy for them. That content strategy is going to be really chill. It's really easy, and just showing them what content you want them to create. You're going to give them a structure and an outline for the actual script. That's it. Very simple. Then an advertorial agency. Honestly, I don't think this one's one that we can discuss right now. It might be a little bit too advanced. And let's just go last into the custom funnels. One of my favorite ones as well too. This is something we're currently offering, and this is printing for us. So this one here is persuasive funnels to get your prospect onto the platform with a boosted conversion rate. Then we'll optimize it for free. So it could be you're targeting SaaSes or you're targeting personal brands. Persuade your prospect to sign up to your platform or join your program through custom funnels like challenges. New subscribers onto their SaaS could be one of the outcomes. Another one could be new leads onto your product, new leads onto your info product. And then the skills: client communications, funnel softwares like ClickFunnels, understanding the SaaS and the offers, copywriting, and the systemization side. Very simple. Now, the onboarding over here, honestly, the onboarding process over here is super simple. You're just going to get their ClickFunnels, their site builder with any assets, invite them to Slack, and then begin doing the in-depth market research and define the 3 different funnels you want to create for them. Structure those funnels out, create the copy, present it to them, and then you're gonna get their feedback, improve whatever the hell they want you to improve, and then you can go ahead and send that live. Those are the main funnels or the main offers that I recommend to start if I was restarting my journey from complete, fresh, blank zero, and I wanted to reach $10,000 a month. If you guys want to check out anything else on how to build a marketing agency, then join the utopia.io. I am in there every single day answering questions. I host calls, I'll host mentorships, I host trainings. We have instructors. The top names in the space are in here providing value. We are there to make sure that you hit your goals. Check it out in the link in the description. That's it for today. We'll chat soon.